Pretty little black skin girl. Pretty little light skin girl, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Trina, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a short genie ponytail. But before we get into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit that bell notification button so you guys know every time I post new videos. So let's get straight into it. So as you can see, I just straighten out my hair with a blow dryer since my hair is a natural type hair. As you can see, it's all done. I'm gonna try to make it as sleek as possible. I know it's not gonna be, you know, straight, but I'm gonna try and do it as closely. So the products that I will be using are the Got To Be spray, the Got To Be glue, a rat tail comb, a edge brush, a regular brush, my curly hair, some extreme gel and rubber bands. So I wanted rubber bands in the front, so I'm just making a part of where I want my rubber bands to go. They're not straight parts, but you know, your girl is trying. So I just lay down some gel just to make my parting more easier. After I have done my parting, I'm just going to put the rest of my hair in one for right now and then deal with my rubber bands. I'm gonna be doing three on each side, and then I'm going to crisscross them. After I've done the rubber bands, then I am just going to be taking the Got To Be free spray and just spraying that in the front and the back of my hair, combing it out, and then take some of the gel and add that to my hair as well, and then take my blow dryer and blow it down so that it can be sleek and stay in place. So I'm just brushing it before I take some free spray again and take the blow dryer and letting that stay. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side and also in the back. Since I'm using a curly hair for my ponytail, I'm not worrying about it getting as sleek, but I still want it to hold in place. So after I have sleeked my hair in one, I'm going to take my hair and plait it down so that that doesn't show in my ponytail. And then I'm going to grab the hair and brush the hair out a little bit so that it can get more fluffy to the type of my texture of my hair, so that it can look like my hair. So I'm just grabbing a brush and kind of fluffing it out before I put it on my hair. So I'm just using rubber bands to secure the hair. I take one rubber band first, and then I'm going to take another one just to make sure that ponytail doesn't go anywhere. Next, I'm going to be grabbing a piece of the hair, brushing it out, adding some gel and freeze spray, and wrap it around the beginning of the ponytail just to give it a extra secureness. I'll put some freeze spray and then blow dry it so that it can stay in place. And then after I have secured that in place, I went ahead and add my little accessory at the top of it to make it look like a genie ponytail, and then I'm just fluffing it out even more to my liking. I'm using a comb for this. I went ahead and just used a comb or a brush, whichever one was doing the job, to make it get that fluffiness. And then I didn't want to leave it this length, so I went ahead and grabbed my scissors and cut it because I just wanted to do something different. I wanted to do a short look, so I went ahead and cut it. I didn't do a blunt cut. I just did a natural type cut, since this is curly hair and I wanted the ponytail to look as natural as possible. I then went ahead and fluffed it out a little bit more to my likings. I wanted it a little bit fluffed out more, and then added some gel just to get back some of the little curls. And then that's basically it. I went ahead and did my edges off camera, which really helped bring out the look, and the look came out bomb. I do hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel. Join this awesome family. And until then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.